Hello students, today we are going to start class 3rd, subject computer, chapter 5th, starting MS Word 2010. Microsoft Word is a word processor used for typing text in a computer. It comes along with MS Office suite. We can do more work with MS Word compared to Notepad. We can use different text styles, clip arts and the pictures. So in this MS Word we will use different type of textile, clip art and the pictures. Okay, so opening MS Word 2010, first click start, then all programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Word 2010. So here you can see you have to start the click on the button, then the all program, then list will appear in that Microsoft Office, then again the list will appear and there you have to select the Microsoft Word 2010. Components of MS Word 2010. First, workspace. The white area at the center is called the workspace. This space is meant for typing text or inserting pictures. Then title bar. The title bar contains the name of the file application at top of window. The main part of title bar are, okay, you can see over here the component of the MS Word. Here you can see the quick access toolbar, ribbon tabs, title bar, minimize, maximize, close button. Here the ribbon, the document information, horizontal ruler, workspace, scroll bar and browse buttons. Okay, so first name of the document, then main control button of the window are minimize option, which are strings, window size, maximize options, which is show full screen, and the close option, which closes the current working document. So the first minimize button is used for shrink the window size, means those, if you open the MS Word the size will decrease. If you maximize the option, the size will increase in, and then if you close the button, then the document those you are opened is closed. And now quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar contains a set of shortcut commands to use MS Word. Ribbon. It present below the main title bar. It is a long bar with many buttons. The top line of the ribbon has tabs like file, home, insert and page layout, and they are called ribbon tabs. Each tool takes us to a different menu. Now home tab shows all the tools for formatting the document. Insert tab has tools for inserting text, pictures or tables inside the document. Zoom tool is at the bottom right corner of the windows and has plus and the minus symbols. When we click on plus, it will increase and viewing size of the document and help us to read more clearly. This is called zoom in. Similarly, when we click on minus sign, the viewing size of the document will decrease, and this helps us to see large protection of the document in one screen, and this is called zoom out. Scroll bar. Scroll bar helps to navigate the document. Horizontal scroll bar helps to move the document to the left and the right. The vertical scroll bar helps to move the document to top and the bottom. Document information shows all the information pertaining to the document pages like page numbers and the numbers of words typed. Creating a new document. When we start a Word program, it opens with a blank page. We can see a vertical line at the left corner or a page called a cursor. We can type the desired text on this page. The steps of the open new document are: first, select File tab and click New option, then Available Templates opens up, then click Blank Document and click Create button. The new document appear on the screen. Now typing in the Word. Typing in Word document is exactly the same as type in Notepad. First step, it look for the cursor. The cursor shows the place of text that appears on typing. If we need to begin a new line, just press enter key and the cursor goes to the next line. Now the saving Word in MS Word. When we complete typing in MS Word, we need to save our work for future use. The steps to save the work for the first time are: first, select the File tab and click the Save option. Then the Save as a dialog box appears. Choose the location to save the file. Then give a name to the file. Click a Save button and save an already saved file. And select the File tab and click Save option. If we are working on a document for a long time, it is always better to keep on clicking the Save button every few minutes to keep saving our work. Now closing the MS Word document. There are two ways to close the Word document. Method 1. By clicking on Close button at the top right corner, we can close current working window. Method 2. Select the File tab and click Close option. This closes the current working window. Now printing a Word document. To print a Word document, first select the File tab and click Print option. Then Print dialog box opens with several options, or click the Print button to print the document with the normal option without changing anything. So we have completed the chapter 5. Now just mark down the difficult words. First is Microsoft Office programs, workspace, title bar, minimize, maximize, quick access toolbar, ribbon, insert, home, zoom, scroll bar, document information, zoom out, zoom out, zoom in, available, templates, blank document, create, enter. So this is your difficult words, and now we will start the exercise. First is fill up. Quick access toolbar contains a set of dash commands for using in the Word shortcut, and the spelling SHORTCUT shortcut. Then second, dash tab shows all the tools for formatting the document, and the answer is home, HOME, home. Scroll bar helps to dash the document, navigate, and the spelling navigate. Fourth, when we start a Word program, it opens with the dash page blank, blank blank. Now the match the following and the actions to its options. First, work document window strings is minimize button, then name of the document, title bar, close the window, close button, close up view of the document, zoom in. Now the true false. First, the cursor show the place of the text that appear on typing true. Second, we can save file by clicking on insert tab, false. The zoom button is present in a quick access toolbar, false. Click on the print button to print document is true. And this is your true false. Now choose the correct options. First, what do we use in the Word document to move the document up and down? Scroll bar. This is used in MS Word to increase the viewing Word document to move the document up and down, scroll bar. Second, this is used in MS Word to increase the viewing size of the document is zoom in. Third one, we can see the minimize button in MS Word at top right corner. Now the question number B, and you have to do in your copy. The first question, what is the word processor? And the answer is over here. A word processor is used typing text in the computer. Microsoft Word in the word processor that comes with MS Office suite. And the second question, what is the workspace? And the white area at the center of a Word document is called the workspace. Then write the step to save a work document. The steps to save a Word document are: first, select the File tab and click the Save option. A Save as a dialog box appears. Choose the location to save file and give a name to the file and click on the Save button. And to save an already saved file, select the File tab and click the Save option. Now the fourth, how can we close a Word document? There are two ways to close a Word document. The first method is by clicking on close buttons at top right corner, and the second method is by selecting the file tab and clicking close option. This will close the current working window. And the difficult words and the question answers you have to do in your copy, and the exercise work you have to do in your book only. And you have to learn your textbook and the question answers. Thank you.